Well, as precautionary measures that are now being taken up by the authorities with the sheer volume of devotees as they have been making their way to the Mahakumbh and trains, however, according to Indian Railways, no special trains for Kumbh that have been now cancelled, and regular train services through Prayagraj remain unaffected, and trains that were designated as train on demand are also running as per schedule and passenger requirements. So this is a statement, Akansha, we are told, that has been issued by the Indian Railways saying that no Kumbh special train that has been cancelled, because we have seen overwhelming devotees as the crowds that they were making their way in. And of course, there had been several special arrangements when it comes to train and also airlines that have increased their frequency so that they can smoothly travel to Prayagraj.
Well, absolutely, Amita. You see many devotees are coming via train only, and to Prayagraj in frequency, as you also mentioned, of train as well as flights have also been increased. But now a statement has been issued by the Ministry of Railways. They have mentioned that there is no plan to cancel any special train. This statement was given in view of the number of devotees which are slated to come to Prayagraj today. As many as 8 to 10 crore devotees are coming for Mahakumbh Mela to take the holy dip, and maximum also come by train or by road because of the surge in airfare. Very less people are coming by flight, so many of them are taking the trains only. But now the Ministry of Railways has clarified that there is no plan to cancel any special train at this moment.
All right, updates that are now coming in, because we have seen when it comes to the frequency in bus services, railway services, and even airlines that have also been reported, of course, with the skyrocketing prices as well for the air tickets. However, Indian Railways, they're issuing a statement and confirming that there has been no cancellations that have been reported. Trains that are operating normally, and railway services, however, remain unaffected and uninterrupted, as the trains that are now running as per demand of the passengers who have booked their tickets to visit Prayagraj for the ongoing Mahakumbh. We'll keep our viewers updated. Multiple developments that are now coming in. We'll put them out for our perspective and the context that has also been seen coming in from the hospitals, where many of them who have been injured are now narrating. Many of them who have witnessed the stampede are narrating what they saw. We'll get you more details back after a short break.